Hello guys, welcome back to one more tutorial. So in this tutorial, let us just first close this and let us go back to Android Studio. So we have forget a thing guys. What we did is this is register and we have forget the input type. So for each one input type should be set. For username the input type is text, and for phone number here it is, here it is. For it input type is phone, and for password input type is text password. So this is for register activity. For main activity there is no edit text, and for login we have edit text. Yeah, we have two edit text. One is for phone number. For this input type is phone. For each unique user, the phone will be the key for each user. And for this input type is password, text password. Yeah, everything is fine. Now what you can do is let us register our new user to the database. That is, we can update the users to the database. That is, we can make them login just like Amazon or AliExpress. So let us just make it. So before it's loading, let us go to Android Studio. It's being not responding. Let us wait for some time. Yeah, we need to go to register activity, and now when the button is clicked, we need to register the user to the database. So let us do that. Set on click listener. For this to occur, you need to press Control plus space. Type new, then choose Control plus space, so we can get this database is being loaded. So here we can create an account for the user. We can create a method for this. Yeah, create account. I think there should be an error, but still it's being loading, so there is no error it seems so. Let us wait for a moment. Let us wait. Yeah, here it is the error. To occur error, it takes this much time. So let us create this method right now. Press Alt plus Enter. Create method. Press Enter. No new method is created. Yeah, our new method is being created right now. And first, what we can do is, let me see you guys. First, for every user, the username, phone number, and password is mandatory. So each user should um, enter these details. So to check these, let us do the thing. We can create a string. Let us name it as name equal to register name dot get text dot toString, and copy it twice, that is twice, for phone and password. It's phone, it's password, and for this it's register phone, and here it is register password. Yeah, to check, we need to check in if condition, if name dot is empty, if not. If name dot is empty, if it is empty, what we need to do? We need to display a toast message. We need to display, please enter your name. Please enter your name. And else if phone dot is empty. If phone is empty, we need to ask the user to provide the phone number. We need to make sure that all the credentials are provided. Phone number. We can copy it right now. Yeah. It's password. Yeah. If password is empty, please enter your password. Else, what we can do is we can create a progress dialog. Private progress dialog. Let's create progress dialog. Progress dialog equal to new progress dialog. This, yeah, we need to where the progress dialog should load. This should load in this activity, that is register activity. So progress dialog dot set title loading dot set text, set description, I hope so. Set message, yeah, set message. Please wait while we are creating your account. So on set cancelled on touch outside, false, probably I'm not sure. I think it's built. No, it's sure. And we need to now, after verifying all the user credentials are being present, now we need to validate those phone number, name and password, and we need to add it to the database. For that, for each unique user, the phone number will be the key of the user. So if there won't exist two phone numbers in uh, the same manner. So each unique user has an unique phone number. So that will be our key. So here we can create a method validate user. Here we can pass these strings: name, phone, password. Now we need to create this method. Yeah. is being created. Now we are going to add this to our database. That is our database. So when user clicks on the create account, the credentials will be added to the Firebase database. That is real-time database. It will be added right here. Let it load. So before writing this Firebase, make sure you have added all the dependencies. So we need here is core and database. These both are the dependencies which you are going to use right now. So make sure you have added those two dependencies. Final database reference, database reference. Database reference equal to Firebase database dot get instance dot get reference. Your for add value event listener, new value event listener. So what happens when data change? So data is being changed. First let us create a database. Yeah, start in this mode. You need to start in this mode. Yeah, it's being loaded. Let it load. So first we need to check if there is already the user is present in the database. To check that, we need to go to if one more bracket data snapshot dot child users dot child phone dot exists. Make phone final. If it not exists, we need to create an user account. That is a new user account. Suppose if it exists, we need to display a toast message. This number exists already. Please create. Please try another number. Yeah, and we can send the user to the register activity. Intern I equal to new intern dot register activity of this. So this is register activity. So we no need to send any users to anywhere. Let it be here. Let the user can stay here and can create one more account. So else now what we can do here is suppose if the user exists, let us just we need to create a new hash map to store these values. Hash map, each value is string and it is an object, and we need to give a reference name for this one. It is the object name, something like user map or register user equal to new hash map. We need to initialize it. Now what we need to do is we need to put everything. What we are going to put is the first parameter is string, which is user name. The name which you are giving here the name which we are giving here will be uploaded in database, so be careful. Name, it should be name. It's semicolon, and we need to make variable as final, and we have still two more, which is phone. Phone should be at phone, and one more is password. Password is password. Yeah. Now we need to upload this to the database. So how we can upload is database reference dot child. We need to upload it under the users node, and under this node we have a child which is phone, and dot update value, update children, register user dot, we can go it on down, add on complete listener, new on complete listener, toast message. We can display a toast message. Congratulations, your account is created, and we can send the users to the login activity. I think that I equal to new intent register activity dot this to login activity dot class, and now we can start this activity. So that's it, guys. Our new user is created. Suppose if add on failure, if suppose there is an internet problem or something like that, on failure listener we can just display a toast message. Network network error, please try again after some time. Yeah, it's done. And yeah, suppose, yeah, that's it, guys. So let us now test our app. Everything should work fine, and make sure you have added this permission for internet, for storage and everything. Gradle is being built, so let us wait. It's taking too long. What to do? It's Android Studio. It takes so long. and our run task is being completed. Let us wait for it. Yeah, there is a calculator. Yeah, our build is completed and it's zero errors. We don't have any errors. And let us see if there occurs any runtime exception. Yeah, now our app is being created. Now let us just click on join now. Now let us give the username as Sheshadhree. It's my username. My phone number, just let us give something else. 1234. And for password also let us give it as 1234. I'm just using the simple numbers and simple password for testing purpose. When we click on register, yeah, it's showing the progress dialog. Please wait for it. The number exists already. Please try again using another number. But we have already, I think there's an error right here. Somewhere right here. If not data set, I think if exists, I think some, um, I don't know why it showed this message. Let us test it again. Let us test again with this. It has sent us to this activity, but what's happening is, congratulations, it should print this message, not this message. And it's also showing this message also. So what we can do is, let us try again. Just go here. Let us again join now. Username let it be anything, and phone number let it be 1234, and password let it be 12356 something like that. Now what's happening is, let us check it. This number already exists. Please try another account. Yeah, we have not. We have forget your thing. Guys. We need to dismiss it. The progress bar. That's why it's loading. Progress bar dialog dot dismiss, and on failure progress dialog dot dismiss. Otherwise it will be loading continuously, guys. And here also it should be dismissed. Progress dialog dot dismiss. Yeah, now let us build one more time. Now it will be built soon. I hope so, because we are running it for the second time. Hope so. Let us see. Yeah, it's built up. Now it's here. Now let's just log in. Now let us give any name, and phone number let it be 1234, and password also should be 1467 something like that. What's happening? Let us check. This number exists already. Please try another number. Yeah, Now let us try for 1 4. 1 2 3 4 5. Now let us try. Yeah. But it's showing congratulations, your account is created. Both the toast messages being shown, but it's working fine. Let me check what is the error and let me resolve it in the next tutorial, guys. Thank you for watching this tutorial. So this is how we need to add the infos to the Firebase database. Thank you for watching this tutorial, guys.